After many teasers, the prominent American exchange Uphold has finally unveiled its self-custody solution dubbed Uphold Vault, with an initial access to XRP investors. By the way, the Palau Ministry of Finance and Ripple Labs have shared the results of the Palau stablecoin project, Phase 1 pilot, disclosing the next steps to take on the project's roadmap. Also, following the intense regulatory crackdown on Binance, the XRP reserve on the platform has dropped 1.1% within a month as liquidity takes a huge hit. Finally, market analyst Cryptos is looking out for a fresh XRP uptrend in the long run, as data suggests XRP has continued to outperform Ethereum in 2023 despite recent trends. Stick with me till the end as we look into all these and more. If this sounds like something of much interest to you, be sure to check out this new video starting now. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, where we talk about the latest updates on XRP and the cryptocurrency world in general. If this is your first time watching one of our videos, we happily send you a special welcome. We invite you to hit on the notification bell so you never miss another video. We are announcing that this channel has a giveaway of 200 XRP. To stand the chance of participating, all you have to do is simply subscribe to the channel, like this video and comment with the hashtag XRP, and the winner will be announced on the 15th of December. The exchange took to X to disclose the launch of Uphold Vault, heralding it as an assisted, state-of-the-art self-custody solution. Per the disclosure, the crypto-based vault service is designed to safeguard crypto assets and defend against losing private keys. According to the exchange, Uphold Vault employs a multi-signature framework with 3 keys tied to the vault. The first 2 are vault and backup keys, while the third is Uphold key. Notably, users retain 2 out of the 3 keys. The availability of the 2 keys is necessary to execute a transaction. Uphold noted it implemented the procedure to enable users to operate autonomously in a scenario where Uphold's system is inaccessible. Furthermore, the exchange stated that it can assist in replacing and restoring access to the vault should a user misplace the vault key or backup key. However, Uphold clarified that it does not gain access to the user's keys or assets throughout the key replacement process. You remain in full control from beginning to end. If our systems were to go down, your assets remain accessible at all times, the exchange stated. Interestingly, the American exchange released the Uphold Vault in beta, granting access to only XRP holders following its promise in July. While XRP is currently the only supported digital asset, the exchange has promised to support other cryptocurrencies in the coming weeks. The statement read Vault is now available for XRP, with support for additional networks and tokens coming in the future. We're really excited about the possibilities Uphold Vault brings to the XRP community. Emphatically, this gesture may be seen as a strategic initiative to fortify Uphold's enduring relationship with the XRP community. Notably, this assisted crypto self-custody solution provides trading access, as Uphold has engineered it for instant connectivity to the Uphold trading platform. Please, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Hunter Anson, a cybersecurity consultant and member of the board of directors at the Palau Finance Ministry, provided this update to the public in a recent disclosure. Taking to X, Anson shared a file containing the report, noting that it details the results of the Phase 1 pilot. Recall that the Palau stablecoin project entered its Phase 1 pilot stage in March, but distribution started in June. However, as was revealed, Ripple announced it on July 26 shortly after Hunter Anson shared a live demonstration of the stablecoin's capabilities. The latest update presents the statistics of the phase now that it has ended, detailing results from the experiences of the participants. Notably, the Phase 1 pilot ended on September 29th. It involved 168 volunteers, with up to 20,000 Palau stablecoin minted. This amounts to $20,000, as the stablecoin maintains a 1-to-1 ratio to the dollar. Of the 20,000 PSC minted, the project's team distributed 16,900 PSC to the 168 participants, at a minimum of 100 PSC for every wallet. Throughout the pilot phase, the participants carried out 729 transactions, with most of them, about 463, being merchant payments. Meanwhile, 168 transactions went into distribution payments, with only 64 transactions involving peer-to-peer payments. Moreover, following Phase 1, up to 14,534 PSC tokens were burned. After the completion of the pilot, the project's team carried out a survey involving the 168 participants to get their input on the stablecoin project. The report noted that as of October 9th, 83 out of the 168 participants had responded to the queries in the survey. Of these respondents, about 36.6% revealed that the experience with the stablecoin was excellent, while 31.7% rated their experiences as good. A meager 9.7% revealed that they had an unsatisfactory experience. Most of the participants cited transaction speed, liberty to not carry cash, and ease of use for the good experience. Recall that Ripple developed the wallet for the stablecoin in addition to leveraging its CBDC platform for the project's blockchain infrastructure. 58.7% of the respondents found it easy to set up and use the wallet for payments, while 9.8% noted it was not easy. However, about 50.6% of the respondents revealed that they had difficulties such as slow responsiveness with the wallet, troubles with the QR code when they wished to use it at a POS terminal, the inconvenience that came with manually inputting a recipient's address, and the use of the QR code. As these issues surfaced, the project's team implemented resolutions. The survey reveals that 81% of the participants expressed satisfaction with the resolutions. In addition, retail purchases, 87.8%, P2P transfers, 67.1%, and cross-border payments, 61%, were the top 3 use cases selected for the future deployment of the stablecoin. The report suggested that the Phase 1 pilot was a success and generally demonstrated the stablecoin's appeal and its potential to support the existing system in the country. Most of the respondents noted that they would support a full deployment of the stablecoin if the government approves it. According to the report, the next phases will involve the development of an ecosystem involving everyday users, financial institutions, legal and regulatory frameworks, and regulatory bodies. The team will integrate all these into the stablecoin network. Furthermore, based on our personally tracked records, the XRP reserve on Binance as of November 1st. This figure has dropped a bit as of December 1st, as gleaned in its latest proof of reserve report. The plunge is reminiscent of the imbalance in the crypto market and the susceptibility of prominent coins to respond to regulatory instability, irrespective of the platform involved. Despite the Department of Justice netting $4.3 billion in settlement from the exchange, XRP traders on Binance are still obviously trading with caution. While there is a month-on-month decline in the XRP reserve presented by Binance, the trading platform remains in a position to redeem all withdrawal requests from its users at any time. The Binance XRP reserve comes in at $7 billion, with a massive excess of $74,200,000. With the turbulent November, the robust liquidity pool and XRP reserve mitigated the impact of the withdrawal shocks that gripped the trading platform when its founder, Changpeng CZ Zhao, stepped down in the fallout with the Department of Justice. Binance transparency since it started releasing the proof of reserve report months ago might be responsible for the trust placed in the firm by its loyal customers. Despite the Department of Justice threat, Binance remains the biggest crypto exchange per daily trading volume. Now to our big question for the day. Did XRP outperform Ethereum in 2023? Please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that notification bell to be the first person to get more updates about the latest happenings as regards to XRP. Taking to X, Crypto's shared combined charts detailing XRP's price movements on a weekly time frame and Ethereum's price movements within the same time frame. The period of interest spans January 2023 through December 2023. Cryptos called attention to XRP's price action throughout this year, which has been primarily encouraging. However, the recollection was necessary amid the waning optimism among XRP investors as the crypto asset fails to capitalize fully on the recent Bitcoin uptrend. Data from Crypto's chart suggests that XRP has appreciated 116% this year. XRP began January 2023 on a bullish standing, following 3 consecutive months of decline from October to December 2022. The cryptocurrency closed January 2023 at 40 cents amid a 19% increase. This increase ended its monthly losing streak. XRP has continued to register intermittent upswings and declines since then. Currently, the asset changes hands at 68 cents. According to Crypto's disclosure, Ethereum has also recorded a similar bullish year, but its rate of growth has slowed in comparison to XRP's. Data from the chart suggests that Ethereum has appreciated 91% since the start of 2023. Despite XRP's substantial price upsurge this year, cryptos pointed out that the asset still has a long way to go before it can catch up to Ethereum in terms of market capitalization. Notably, Ethereum boasts a market cap of $270.5 billion, while XRP's market cap stands at $36 billion. Ethereum's market cap is nearly 8 times XRP's. At the current figures, XRP would need to soar 706% from its current price to a value of $5.08 to hit Ethereum's market cap. While most market watchers have discussed the possibility of this surge, it remains uncertain. Citing the current realities, Cryptos disclosed that he was looking out for a fresh and long-term uptrend for XRP. It was recently revealed that XRP witnessed a similar dull performance at the start of the bull run in 2017. However, the asset eventually outperformed Bitcoin and other tokens. XRP is up 11% over the past week, while Ethereum has rallied 12%. However, interest in XRP remains on the high side, with trade volume seeing a 19% surge in the last 24 hours. Now, I'd love to hear your thoughts on this in the comments section. Make sure you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, you can help enlighten others just like you have been enlightened by sharing this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news everywhere, guys. If you are a true cryptocurrency fan, don't miss any of our content. See you tomorrow to talk about the latest news that concerns us all as a community.